Let's talk about the real automation in this video. As you can see on my screen right now, that I have sent connection requests to 255 people, but you know what? I never send them connection requests manually. This is all on automation. Out of 255, four people accepted my connection request, and out of four people, my message got sent to all four of them. And out of four people to whom my message got sent, two of them have actually replied. Now you must be wondering, okay, Rohan, this is a very nice automation where all the connection requests will be sent automatically, and then they will accept it, and then you will be able to send them the messages on the automation again. But don't you think that these are the very bad stats? Well, yes, these are. The real problem is the account that I used. So if you go on the LinkedIn account that I used to run this automation, this is an account. If you say that I have written down lead generation expert, I help companies increase profit X to 10x. And then if you scroll down about a section, a young girl with high spirits who loves to play with words, then some experience, nothing else. Her profile has nothing to show. Her profile is in very bad state, and this is the reason why I got these stats when I used this account. But when you have optimized your profile, just like this profile, where everything is in intact place, right? Where you have right headline, right banner, right profile pic, and then optimize your about us section with your top skills. The activity section is working, experience section is there. You have got recommendations from the different people out there. You have got skills as well, the right skill set. That is where uh, your connection request acceptance rate will get increased, and I've already talked about in this module called advanced LinkedIn profile optimization mastery. There are like 3 videos inside this, and I urge you, before you start running this automation, make sure that you watch these videos and optimize your profile. Otherwise, if you do not take this into consideration, then you will get the stats like this, which will just be burning of time and the other factors, right? Now, when I sent out 255 connection requests, so you can observe over here that the people who have checked out the profile. Before I talked about this, let's just find it out, like how I ran this automation. So there's a tool called Valigo. You can go on Google, and then you can search this tool called Valigo. Then you can open this tool. This gives you a 15-day free trial, so you can run all the things over here. It actually gives you 14-day free trial. You just have to connect your LinkedIn account, and then after that, once you have connected your LinkedIn account, then what you need to do, you need to provide a list of prospects to which you want to run the automations, right? So in order to do that, it gives you different factors. For example, like you can manually create your contact list, or what you can do, like you can download the list from LinkedIn, and then you can upload your CSV. You can directly import the list from all the people who have liked a particular post. Let's say that you encountered one of the posts where people are interacting, and then you want to send them the connection request, so you can import it from directly from this list. And then import from LinkedIn searches as well. So maybe you have done the LinkedIn search. Let's say I want to target the people from I want to target the CEOs, but this time I want to target people from a particular country. So let's say I want to target people from Canada, and I also want to target a particular industry, which is the health base. So if you go in all filters, and then in the industry section, you can type financials, you can type whichever industry you want to target. So I want to target the healthcare industry, hospitals and healthcare. This is the industry that I want to target. So after that, what I'm gonna do, I'm just simply gonna click on show results, and then I'll get a list of all the people who are the CEOs and they're into the healthcare industry, and then you just have to copy this URL of the LinkedIn search result, and then you need to go back to your Very Good tool and then click on import from LinkedIn search, and then just paste down the URL. That will start importing your list from this URL. So if you just click on import, that will start importing your list. This process can take some time because you have got so many users inside this list. As you can see that I've got more than 100 pages. That means that like there are more than 1,000 people who lies into the criteria that I have chosen so far. That will start importing the list from your searches. Once the list gets imported, then the main part comes in, where it asks you for the user persona, because you need to understand that like all these people who are the CEO or from the Canada, and they are dealing in the hospitals and healthcare industry, they cannot be your target audience. Not all of them. Maybe you are looking to target some coaches from the healthcare industry, and they are living right now in Canada, but not all these people can be your coach, right? So in this case, what needs to be done? So I'm just crossing it right now because this process takes some time. So just to make this video short, I'm just crossing this right now. After that, what you need to do, you need to provide the persona. And persona works something like where you tell that out of the given list, the list that you have given, out of the given list, I want to target these people. So for example, what I did, I named it as a health professional, so whatever name you want to give, and then you provide that what you want to target. So I mentioned that like these are the keywords that I'm looking to target. Whenever these keywords are inside on the person's profile, then you can consider that person. So health coaches are there: wellness coach, holistic health coach, nutrition coach. So all the coaches I have provided. After that, I've also given some more conditions, like I want to target not just the coaches, but they should be into health, wellness, and fitness, alternative medicine, mental health care, coaching and training. And then the seniority level should be either they should be self-employed, founder, owner, CEO, coach, and consultant. So I do not want to target low people at working in a companies, working for the CEO, working for the CEOs, or working for the coaches, because they are not my direct audience. You can also target on the basis of, let's say, the people who have less than 1,000 followers, or the people who have less than 2,000 followers. So you have to provide your persona in a detailed manner over here. And then profile keywords to look for. So I have mentioned that like look for the keywords helping people improve health, lifestyle, online programs, one-on-one coaching. So if my prospects are offering one-on-one coaching, then they are my TG. And then I've also provided some inclusion criteria profiles focused only on medical practice or therapy, corporate wellness, HR roles, unless they coach directly. So this way you have to provide your persona. And then what will happen, the magic will take place. And what's the magic? The magic is, guys, if you click on the analysis part after providing a persona, then the magic will take place when you start the campaign. So you can see that like out of the given list that I provided, so I provided it somewhere around 815 contacts. So out of the given list, it visited each and every profile. So you can see that like it visited each and every profile. And after visiting the profile, according to the persona that I gave on this tool, it identified 255 people who lies into my category. And then it sent the connection request to only those 255 people. You can clearly see that it classified some of the people as not relevant, and some people, these 253 people, as the relevant people, which matches my persona. And then it visited all the profiles, it sends them the connection request, and then you can see that 4 people accepted it. Now when I started this video, I told you that the numbers are pretty bad. The reason is obvious, because when they got my connection request, they actually checked my profile as well. So if you click on view profile section, and if you come on show analytics sections, you can see that like I've got 43 profile views in the last 90 days, because this is a very dead profile that I use for this purpose, just to show you that like if you do not optimize your LinkedIn profile completely, then there is no point of using this tool. Otherwise what will happen, you will just burn out your time. So you can see that like 43 people have actually visited my profile, and they checked my profile. So if I just clicked on this part, so you can see that like Stephen Puya, who is a wellness studio consultant, check my profile. Wade Dickinson, I'm a fitness expert that coaches parents and busy professionals, again into my criteria. Fitness coach Jeremy, check my profile. But they did not accept my connection request, because my profile does not matches with what I am saying to them, or what I am portraying to them. That is why they didn't show interest in accepting my connection request, and they just ignored it. So this is a primary reason that why you should be watching these videos in the first module, which is named as Advanced LinkedIn Profile Optimization Mastery. So it's my advice, before running this automation, make sure that like you optimize your profile completely, otherwise you will get the results like this. So I am running automations on different profiles out there. Obviously I have optimized most of them, but this is the main reason why I did not optimize this profile, because I wanted to show you that like without optimizing your profile, your connection request will get ignored. Now, the four messages that it sent, again, it was an automation. After providing the persona, I didn't provide any messaging part. So you can go on the on your persona, and then if you just scroll down, you can see that, like, if you want to provide your message prompt, you can always provide that, and the first message as well. But since I left it blank, so you can see the people with whom this automation interacted. So you can see that, like, on Saturday, as today is Monday, on Saturday, this message went out with this profile. Hi Jonathan, I noticed you help executives transform their health and fitness through OBF gyms. Your journey from the fat kid to building a successful fitness business caught my attention. I work with health coaches to grow their online presence and build engaged communities. Given your experience helping business professionals, I would love to learn more about your approach and share how other coaches are expanding their reach. Would you be open to a quick chat about growing your impact beyond the gym walls? So you see, what happened was, this tool basically checked this person's profile completely, and on the basis of the information given on his profile, it crafted a personalized message, and sent it out to this person. Now the same way, this Georgina, when she accepted the connection request, the message sent out on the basis of her profile. Now if you compare this message with Jonathan's message, you will find different, the complete difference. You can see, I noticed you are a nutritional consultant helping people with holistic wellness protocols to the wellness snob. So this message is directly targeting her industry, and this basically increases your chances of getting more replies, and that is why you can clearly see over here that I've sent out four messages with the help of this tool, and two people have already replied, right? You can see that, like, after sending out this message, she said no, that she is not interesting in getting my services, but at least she replied, because most of the people on LinkedIn does not get any replies, and they just get ghosted. So this is the pure reason why you get ghosted. The reason is that your messages are not personalized. They target, or they just say, very very general things in nature. So if you want to get more replies, then this is the thing that you have to do. Now you can use this tool to filter out your audience, and then you can send out the connection request to all the people on the automation, and after that the message will be sent automatically.